Hey, just doing a quick review of the Amazon Basic 60-inch tripod. And I really like this guy if you're just starting out in photography, or you're doing just video with your smartphone or something. You just need something to hold it steady. This is a great buy. And it comes with a little bag with a little strap so you can carry it around pretty easy. It also has a handle to help you carry it around. To move the hat around, you're going to loosen this to go up and down. And then this wheel here allows you to turn left and right. There's also one here that allows you to go vertical. There's also a bubble level here, which is great for getting your tripod level so that your pictures are level and not just off by a little bit. It has this plate, which is this is a quick release plate, very common on tripods today. What you do is you attach your camera to the quick release plate, and I like that Amazon has put on this little thumb screw here that you can screw it into the bottom of your camera and tighten it down a lot, and then just fold that down. A lot of tripods you have to use a screwdriver or a quarter or something to make that tighten. They do have this little button on here, which I guess is for camcorders. The quick release plate, I love this. It works any direction. So if you want to put it in this way and then tighten it down, it's going to stay. It's pretty sturdy, but you can also put it in this way or this way or this way. So there's no right or wrong way to put that plate in, which is nice. Moving down the tripod, so there are lots of little places to tighten and loosen things so they stay steady once you've set them. So there is an extension here, and you use this guy to tighten it down so it stays in place. There's also these tripod legs spread out, and there's a little tightener here. You can tighten that, and then just flip these open. I really like this. Is a pretty simple way to know when which leg is loose and tight, and they actually tight down really well, and the leg stays pretty sturdy. So you can extend all of these guys. They got little rubber feet that move around, so if you've got a wood floor or something, you're not going to be scratching up the floor. There we go. And there's a little hook for accessories, or maybe you want to put a sandbag or something to really keep this sturdy. It's a very light tripod, so not something that you'd want to necessarily be traveling with or really putting through any vigorous use, but it's great for, I recommend this for all my clients because it's a real simple tripod that you can use in your office, in your home office or your office, and it's 60 inches tall, which is important because you want the camera to be at eye height. And usually I suggest people, if they're shooting videos, I work with videos for YouTube, you want to be able to set the camera at your eye height, and standing makes you give the best performance. So overall, love this tripod and recommend that you pick one up.